that are getting the old farm all ready to go. We're gonna do some raking today. Are we gonna rake? Are you ready? Let me see what you look like when you're ready. Like, oh yeah. You say, I'm ready. I'm ready too. Let's go rake some hay. Well, before we get rolling, we got to adjust the rake. Right now it's touching the bottom, but when the minute we move forward, because we're on an upside of this hill, it's gonna miss the hay. So we got to adjust and crank these levers down. Try to give you a look. Okay, I think we got our rake set, but we've got to put the PTO shaft in here. I'll try to give you a view. This here runs the rake connected to this PTO shaft. This PTO shaft has to go in to the drive on the wheel here. So push that pin, lock that in. Now, when we move forward, it'll start raking and get this thing in some windrows so we can bale some hay. Well, you should be able to see that. And now it's time to put her in high gear. I'll let you go. We'll see you later. Woo! Let's bale some hay, baby. Thumbs up. Sometimes people ask me, you know, horses like hay, but horses also like corn. Like, do you ever just rake in some corn? No, I don't know what you're talking about. No, why would I do that? Oh boy. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do, just never on purpose. Sometimes I rake corn in when I'm not paying attention. Don't tell anyone. It's that feeling you get when you got it just right. It's that feeling you get when you got it just right. Woo-hoo-hoo! Hey, we got it, baby. Yeah. Give me a big woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Can you give me a yee-haw? Yee-haw! 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 You can make it look really bumpy. Or really smooth. Or goofy. Well, you make your own music some days. Are you making music? What a weirdo. I don't know where he gets it. I have no idea. Well, we just bought a new baler. It's used, new to us. But now we got to get the strings worked out, get her tightened the right, and get the length. Here we go. This baler, I'm going to show you a little bit how it works. I don't know a whole lot, but what I do know, I'll tell you. Hooked up to the PTO shaft, this bad boy goes in a circle, turns her around, feeds up into here. And there's forks, there's really big forks back there You can see them right here that push all the hay up into there. It packs it into there and out the back it goes. For the first adjustment, basically, we gotta take this little pin out right here, slide this pin back, and this drops down. This wheel here rides on the ground, or I call it the ground sometimes. Ground. You got your twine in here, feeds up here, over, goes down, underneath, and into these big fingers right here. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. These fingers. Goes under here and into these fingers, and then this finger sticks it up into this knotter. And this is your knotting right here. Cuts it, knots it, sticks the bale all the way out the back. And there's your bales. Let's do this.
Some hay boys.
We're baling some hay, boys.
We're baling some hay boys. We're baling some hay, Daddy.
You are quite the little helper, you know that? Well, we ran into a small problem. All of a sudden our bales were breaking open. So after a quick review, I noticed that one of our twine bale rolls ran out. This one's empty. And when it transferred over, the knot got stuck right here. So I gotta loop this through again. Ty, you're definitely in the way, buddy. No. Just shut that, please. Shut that. You're not really helping as much as you'd think. Can you hop back down here and help? Okay. So where this has to go, this thing comes out of the box. I'm not sure if you could see that. I gotta loop it through this hole right here. And down here through this hole right here, if you can see it, that one, and then it goes right up through this spike again. So I'm gonna take a little break and do that. Well, I got it looped through. We're gonna give her a try. Probably carry this hay around to the front and stick it back in, see if she's working again. Okay, help me carry, come on. Buddy. Grab another big batch there, okay? Good job, man. Well, I broke a shearing pin on the flywheel on our baler, so we're done for the day. But we got 300 bales, and now I get to move all those in the shed tomorrow. It'll be a good day. Till next time.